Okay, so here I want to show you this pretty cool alarm clock. This is a sunrise alarm clock. So it has the light that turns on in the morning. It has a night light for nighttime. It has the white noise. So if you like to sleep with noise, this has 10 different sounds. It has the 10 natural sounds, dual alarm for heavy sleepers. So let's go ahead and open this thing up. So here is the USB cable for it. To plug it, you will have to get your own power adapter plug for your wall. So this thing, you don't need no apps, anything like that. And I take that back. It comes with the power block, so it does comes with it. Comes with a little user manual, so you could go over it, so you know how to set up the alarms, the wake up light, the night light, and all that. So it's a nice little wood look to it. Then here on the top, it's got all your buttons. Here's the USB plug for it. It's got a news button right here. It's got the volume. Then the speakers back here. So here it's got your 24-hour clock button. It's got the alarm 1, 2. So you can set 2 different alarms. It's got the countdown, natural sounds right here. It's got the button here to turn it on and off, and color light button. So let me go ahead and plug this thing up and see how this thing looks, so you guys could see. So I'm just gonna go ahead and plug it up right here. I'm gonna use my Blue 80 power station that I have down here. I'm gonna plug it up real quick. As you can see, the time already came on. You will have to adjust that, which is up here. Alarm 1, alarm 2, countdown right here. In natural sound mode. So you got different light effects here. So yeah, so that's pretty cool. The snooze button here. And with the snooze button, you could dim the light right here or turn it off. Dim it, off, or bright. So then you hit alarm 1. It says 7:30 a.m. So you could turn it on. Here shows the little light turning on. Or alarm 2. On and off. So you could change that. Countdown. I have to see what this does. In natural sound mode, countdown. And then you just hold down the music button right there, and you'll have different sounds. That's 3. I believe it has 12. So it's basically like fire, water, the wilderness, some dogs barking, like the road. And you have your volume here. But yeah, so that's all the sounds. But yeah, so this is pretty real cool alarm clock. I'm gonna turn that off. And then the lights, you can change them. But yeah, so hopefully this helped you out. Just go over the instructions to change the time, but it should be pretty simple. But yeah, so it's a nice little alarm clock. Makes a nice little gift. But yeah, so hopefully this helped you out.